Now I am making healthy, tasty, cheesy vegetable sandwich. I am roasting fine chopped capsicum, tomato and onion on tawa, on a stick tawa without oil for 2 to 3 minutes. When good smell will come, I will take it out. You can put any vegetables whatever you like, but beans and carrot will take time to roast. Grated carrot and fine chopped beans will take few minutes to cook. I am mixing here black salt and pepper and butter and cheese. I am putting butter on the bread, both bread, and what the mixture I have prepared, I spread it in the bread, and another bread I am putting the tomato sauce or pizza sauce, whatever you have you can apply. Now I am applying mixture of veggies and keeping cheese on the bread and cover it in another bread, and I am going to cook it a little bit, and now it is ready to eat. If you like my recipe, please like, share and comment and do subscribe.